To solve this system of equations using graphing, let's begin by going to Desmos.com. Selecting the keyboard in the bottom left corner, you can now type your equations. I'm going to type in each one of these equations. In other graphing calculators, you would need to solve for y first, but in Desmos, you can just type the equations straight in. I have now graphed the red line. Now let's graph the blue line, negative y plus 0.2x equals 3.6. The solution to the system of equations is the point or points that both lines have in common. So clicking the point of intersection, we have the coordinate, which is our solution. In this particular problem, we've been asked to round to the nearest hundredth. Quick reminder of 100th, that's 2 place values out. So looking at the 2 to the right of the 9, it leaves the 9 alone. So our x-coordinate will be 7.59. The y-coordinate, looking at the 2 to the right of the 8, the 2 leaves the 8 alone, so we have negative 2.08. If you do graph some equations and they end up being parallel, then no points are in common, meaning no solution. Another thing that could happen is that when you graph both of the lines, one of the lines graphs right on top of the other one. In other words, they're the same line. So they would have infinitely many points in common.